Druva inSync is used to create a secure backup of the files on your CMS computer. To set up using Druva inSync, first please ensure that you are logged into your computer. Step 1. At the bottom right corner of your desktop, click the up arrow icon to show hidden icons. Click the Druva inSync icon. The Druva inSync Activate Backup window will open. Step 2. Confirm that the drop-down field above your login credentials is listed as inSync Gov Cloud. Then enter your full CMS email address and click Continue. Step 3. On the next screen, enter your current EUA password and click Login. Step 4. Most likely you will be replacing an existing device instead of activating a new additional device, so select the Replace an Existing Device option from the screen. Step 5. Select your device and click Replace. Step 6. Click the Restore Now button on the screen. Step 7. Check backup data and click Restore. Step 8. A pop-up window will appear stating that items with the same name and location on this device will be overwritten. If you'd like to continue this process, click the Restore button to continue. The restoring data process will begin and progress based on the quantity of data being restored. Step 9. When finished, a Restore Complete message will appear on the screen. Click Done. Step 10. After you click Done on the previous Restore Complete window, a Backup in Progress screen will appear and the device will automatically begin the backup process. When done, the screen will say Backup Complete. The activating process is finished and you can rest assured that your files are secure.